Hello, I'm Sarah, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing cozy tiny apartment ideas to make your small space feel warm, peaceful, and beautifully inviting. Small spaces can feel incredibly cozy when designed with intention. So let's explore simple ideas that make your tiny apartment warm, functional, and beautifully serene. Start with natural light. Soft curtains, warm tones, and gentle shadows instantly make a tiny apartment feel brighter and more welcoming. Neutral colors help expand the space visually and create a calm, uninterrupted flow. Adding natural textures, like wood, cotton, and soft knits, brings warmth without crowding the room. Even in the smallest apartments, thoughtful organization keeps everything peaceful and clutter-free. And with just a few cozy touches, your tiny apartment can feel like a calm and beautiful retreat. Now, here's a tiny apartment tour with warm, simple ideas to inspire your home.